The word we'll be learning in this section is 収入, which you will often hear in conversations about finances, business discussions, and salary negotiations. The word 収入 means income in English. It refers to money received, usually on a regular basis for work or through investments. This can include salaries, wages, profits from business activities, dividends, and other sources of revenue. The first kanji means to receive or collect, and it often shows the idea of taking something in. For example, shushu talks about gathering things together, and the kanji gives the sense of collecting. Another example is shuno, which is about putting things away, where shu carries the idea of receiving or storing. The second kanji means to enter or go into, and it gives the basic motion of going inside. For example, 入学 refers to entering school, and the kanji gives the idea of entering. Another example is iriguchi, which is the place where you go in, with the kanji showing the act of going into something. We earn an income from part-time work. 私たちはアルバイトで収入を得る。私たちはアルバイトで収入を得る。He made an income plan. 彼は収入計画を立てました。彼は収入計画を立てました。Income surveys are difficult. 収入調査は難しいです。収入調査は難しいです。He has a high income. 彼は収入が高い。彼は収入が高い。The most common synonyms of the word 収入 are 所得. 所得 also refers to income or earnings, but it can sometimes imply a more formal or tax-related context. The most common antonyms of the word 収入 are 支出. The word 支出 means expenditure or expense and refers to money spent or costs incurred, contrasting with income, which concerns earnings received.